Hello everybody, and hope you're having a great day. For this video, I'm going to cover variants and variant groups. So to make a variant group, let's go all the way to the left and click on Catalog, and then Variant Groups. Now let's go to the top right hand corner of the screen and select the green New button. And this brings up our Edit Variant Group window. So the first section we have is the name. Then this is just the name of your variant groups that your customers will see. I'm going to call this one Color. Second option we have is Display Type. There are 4 display types, and they look like this. First up, we have the checkbox list. That you can select either one or multiple ones. And if you use a checkbox list, you must have non-inventory selected for your variant group. What non-inventory does is makes the variant group not subject to inventory controls, which basically means you have an unlimited stock. The next display type is a drop-down menu, a quantity grid, where you can put in the amount you would like, and then radio button list, which is similar to a checkbox list, except for you can only choose one at a time. Next we have default item text. I'm just going to call it default text. And this is just displayed before the variants, like please select an option. If it's blank, depending on the display type of your variant, such as a dropdown, then the first variant will be selected by default. Next we have the sort order. If you have multiple variant groups, the sort order determines in which order that your variant group will appear. The next option is to hide the variant group. Then we have public description. Your customers will also see this. We have an option for header HTML and footer HTML, and this is where you can just add additional code to the header or footer. So when you're done, go to the top right hand corner and click on the green Save button. Now that we've created the variant group, let's add a variant to one of our products. So go all the way to the left, click on Catalog, and then Products. And I'm going to use a pre-made product called Video Product on my store. So click the Edit button under Actions. And here on the left, let's choose Options/Variants. Alright, now to add the variant, click on the New Variant button. And the first option is our variant group. So let's select the drop down and choose the one we created called Color. The label will be the name of the variant in your variant group. So I'm going to name this one Red. We have a surcharge and a surcharge type. This can be left blank, or if you'd like to charge something, let's say we'll charge $5, and then choose the surcharge type. We have multiple options, such as making the total $5, or adding a percentage, or just adding $5 to the price. We can even take off from the price. We can also add an item number extension to the variant, and if you have multiple item number extensions, you can sort which one appears first using the sort order. We can also give a weight to our variant and a type such as set weight to or additional weight. And the variant sort order determines which order the variants will appear in. You can also give your variants a picture. You can hide your variants. You can make the variant default. If you select Is Variant Package, this will make this particular variant not visible on the product page, but once you add the product to your cart, it adds the default variant from the variant group to your cart. Variant groups must be non-inventory if you use Is Variant Package. And lastly, if you have any attributes, you can select them here. So now that I've created my variant, I'm going to save. Exit out of my product, and then I'm going to click on the magnifying glass under Actions. And here is our variant in the variant group we just created.